Are you still using mouse for everything in Excel? Then you are wasting a lot of time every single day. In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful Excel shortcuts that will make your work faster and easier. In office work, even saving 5 seconds per task can save hours in a week. These shortcuts are used by professionals to work faster than others. Let's start with the first shortcut, copy and paste. We'll use this data to work. Most people use right click for copy and paste like this. Select the data, right click, copy the data, and then again right click, paste the data. So instead of this, select the data, press Ctrl C. So this will copy your data, and wherever you want to paste, place a cursor, Ctrl V. This is a most basic but most used shortcut in daily work. So next we will go to undo. You made a mistake, but don't panic. Let's say I have deleted this accidentally and you want to get it back. Control Z. So you got your data back. You can press it multiple times to go back step by step. Example, I've deleted this. I've pasted the data and that is removed now. So let's go with the next shortcut, save. One mistake people make is not saving frequently. So you make a change, press Ctrl S to save your life. This protects your work from system crashes. Next is jump fast shortcut. This is one of my favorite shortcut. When you're working on a large data, like this is an example, we have 44 rows. Now, if you want to go to the last of the table, you have to you have to use your arrow keys to go to the bottom of the table, or you have to use the mouse. So you have an option to go to the last of the table using the shortcut. What you could do is control and down arrow key. So this will help you to reach the end of the table with just one button. You can move in all the direction using the arrow keys. Like example, control, hold control, you can go to the right, you can go to the top, you can go to the left. That's how it is useful. So the next shortcut is select the data. Selecting the large data manually is really painful. So example, you want to select this. Selecting this in a mouse will take a lot of time. So what you can do, press Control Shift down arrow key. And you can also try like Control Shift right arrow key. This selects the entire table, top to bottom and to the right. This is very useful for reports and formatting. The next shortcut is AutoSum. No need to type sum formula manually. So you have a numbers column here and you want the sum of this. Go to the end, just select Alt plus. So Excel automatically detects the range and applies the formula, hit enter. So you got the sum. So the next shortcut is flash fill. This is a smart Excel feature. Think you have a rep and the item included and you want to exclude that. And I only need the first name. So what you could do is type the first name that you want to separate, just Control E. So this will give all the rep details separately without any formulas. So the next shortcut is create the table. Convert your data into a table instantly. So you have a raw data, select all, and you have to go to insert and to click on the table. So this is a manual way. What you could do is use the shortcut Control T to create a table. I'll undo this. Converting your data into table will help in sorting, filtering, and better formatting. The next shortcut we are learning is formatting the cells. Usually you have to select this, right click, and you have a format cells. So instead of this, what you could do is press Control and 1. you will get your formatting options and you could choose your category accordingly. And you can change number, date, currency, formats, etc. The last but not the least, edit the cells. So if you're working on a data and you don't want to use your mouse to double click for an edit, you can use F2 function. So click on F2 and this will be ready for your edit. This is a faster than using the mouse. I've updated the shortcuts for your references. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. Copy paste, undo, save, navigation, selection, AutoSum, flash fill, table, formatting, and edit. If you found this useful, don't forget to like this video. I'll be sharing more Excel tips that will help you in your daily work. Also comment which format you use the most.